Good morning. We are live. Sorry I did not do a scheduled live this morning. I forgot. So we're just live. Just like that. Boom. Just like that, we are live. All right, folks. What is this market? Hey, there's Timbo. Good morning, man. Good morning, Timbo. Good to see you. Oh, man, look at this crazy chart right now. Hey, we are back today. I had a great day yesterday. Hey, Soul Search Gurus, good morning. Bing, good morning. Yeah, I was really happy to take the day off yesterday. I feel like it was definitely the right decision. Look at this market, what it did. Look at this. 11 o'clock, we just sold off and never stopped. Feel like I would have tried to buy the bottom a couple times, and I definitely, I don't know. I'm glad I was not trading yesterday. So, but yeah, I'm ready to go, man. Yeah, sometimes it's necessary. I agree. We're back to using Guardian Angel Trader again. Just, I don't know, feel like with this volatility right now, with this kind of volatility, I just want to slow down a little bit and slow down, take less trades, and basically just kind of chill out a little bit on my trading. Feel like the last 2 weeks, I've been pretty aggressive and I've just not exactly, I just been a little bit crazy. And I think it's somewhat because of just the volatility that we've been in. It's just, man, it's crazy. This volatility, the market condition right now is something we haven't seen, something I haven't seen. Hey, Jam Bear, good morning. NP, good morning. And I think it's just smarter here if I just take it slow, remind myself that it's not a race, it's a marathon. And if this kind of volatility, it's okay to just take it easy. We don't need to make millions. Hey, Gustavo, good morning. Okay, pulling back a little bit here before the open. Man, I don't know how I feel about trying to. Feel like definitely the Bulls seem to be back in control this morning. All right. See what we do at the open here. We had news. This was news related. We had news at 8:30. Do we have any other news coming out? Let me check. Today is the 8th, August 8th on a Thursday. So we have a 30-year bond auction at 1 o'clock. That is something to note. That is something to be aware of. Those bond auctions can sometimes really move the market. So make sure we make note of that. We're 5 minutes away. Hey, Goan Trades, good morning. Oh, you're trading YM now, Goan Trades? Nice. Trading ever after. Good morning. Flojo, good morning. NP. Hey, good morning, R5 Studios. How's it going? Yeah, let's keep it green today. Amen. I'm gonna try and take it a little bit easier. Just ease into it. I don't want to overtrade. Take the setups I like, but I don't want to be chasing volatility and need to make sure I honor my stop losses and just keep things civil. Keep things PG-13 today. Let's not go all crazy. Hey, good morning, K-Trader. Good morning. Peter Schapp, good morning. Good to see you. How's it been going with you guys? How is the trading? How did you guys do in trading yesterday? How was golf, John? It was awesome. I have some pretty exciting news. So I went golfing at my favorite golf course yesterday. I had a 9 o'clock tee time, and it was just a beautiful morning to golf, and I played pretty well. I think I ended up being 7 over on 18 holes. I thought actually it was 9 over, but then I went back and I realized that it was a par 74. So yeah, I was 7 over through 18 holes. Played pretty well. Could have played better. My driver has kind of been an issue for me. It's kind of been an issue for me. I just haven't not really consistently been hitting my driver, but I'm doing really well with around the greens. My short game has been great. So yeah, it was just a lot of fun. Didn't look at the charts yesterday until like 5 p.m. It was a good reset day. It was really good. Hey, Oliver, you're welcome. Not a problem. But one thing that I found out yesterday that has got me pretty excited. So I discovered yesterday that next week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, this golf course is having what they call the Amish Open. I'm not making this up. They are having the Amish Open next Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And it's stroke play, individual stroke play, and on Thursday, Friday, you play a 18 hole round on Thursday, you play an 18 hole round on Friday, and then whoever the top half of the field make the cut, and then you will play on Saturday if you make the cut, where you will then be playing for prize money. So it's like a $400 entry fee, and then $400 entry fee, And then obviously if you make the cut, then you get your entry fee back. But then I think if you make it to like the top 20 or top 15, it'll start paying more. And like first, second place is like 4 or 5,000. I mean, I'm not going to win. Don't get me wrong. I'm not, but I entered. I put my name in. I paid my entry fee yesterday, and I'm going to play in my official. I'm going to play next week. I'm going to play in my first ever official tournament, my golf tournament. So I had the Amish Open. I love it. And here's the thing: the Amish Open is basically you have to have a Amish background in order to enter into this tournament, which I feel like is maybe a little discriminatory, but I don't know, whatever. So yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty stoked. We will be doing golf carts, not horse and buggy. That's too funny. That is too funny. All right, boys, we're open. Market is open for business. Here we go. What is he gonna do? Are you gonna rip it? Are you gonna rip it? Are you gonna rip it higher? Walk and carry, Dave Mack? No, it's not gonna be walk and carry. You're gonna be grouped in groups of 4. Like, this is pretty official. There's a cut line, and you're gonna be golfing in a group of 4, and it's going to be from the tips, and it's going to be PGA Tour rules. You guys are funny. Make sure somebody. What is my handicap? Right now I'm at a 6 handicap right now. Now I was at a 9 handicap, so I've definitely improved this year, but it is from the tips, as it should be. Exactly, Dave. But I'm really excited. I'm gonna just have fun. If I make the cut, I'm happy. Like, if I make the cut, then I'm happy. I'm not, if I can place top half of the field, I'm gonna be happy with it. It's also going to be different playing under pressure. I'm used to playing kind of on my own, and it's a lot different. A lot different when the money starts being on the line and things start getting a little more pressure applied. Hey, MZ, yeah, thank you. I mean, we're trying. So far, my best round this year has been 2 under on 9 holes and 1 under on 18 holes. Wow, hey there, buddy. What's up?
Where's Oshi toy?
You want Oshi? Oh, we need to go find him?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right back. No, this golf, the golf tournament will be everything like normal. It's just called the Amish Open. There's a lot of Amish that play golf, guys. There's a lot of Amish that play golf. So, pony car. I'm actually curious if we play from the tips. That's where so yesterday, that's where I golfed at yesterday, is at the course where this tournament will be played. And I played from the tips, which is where the tournament will be played, and I played using like tournament rules where, you know, making sure I follow PGA Tour rules. And yeah, it definitely plays pretty long, but it was fun. It was actually a lot of fun. Well, this market cannot seem to make up its mind what it wants to do here. I have no intention of trading until after 10 o'clock. And I'm going to be pretty cautious today in trading. I don't know, this volatility, I kind of decided, you know, there is just no need to go crazy trading in this volatility. How long a course from the tips, Dave? That's a great question. Let me see if I can find that. Oh, you know what? We don't need to watch all of it. But right here, this is actually the course. It's really nice. That's the first hole.
Order canceled.
That's the first hole. You don't want to miss. Actually, this hole is pretty easy. You don't want to miss right. Next hole. Oh, that's just a picture coming down. Anyway, I don't want to watch the whole video, but good stuff. Yeah, it's pretty open. There, like, one thing, this course actually doesn't really, there's like 5 or 6 holes where you do not want to miss right. Like, if you miss right, you're out of bounds. So I definitely, my biggest struggle right now is my driver and just hitting a fade. I just cannot seem to hit a draw for the life of me. So that's always a little. I'm hitting 3-wood off the tee on a lot of these holes. You thought I had ads on my channel now? Actually, okay, yeah, I wanted to see how long are the course from the tips. Why does it not tell me that? I don't even see it anywhere. Here, I have an idea where I can see. Whatever. I can't even find it. I'm actually curious how much it is. Anyway, all right, going back. All right, market, what are we doing? What are we doing, boys? We're just kind of slowly bleeding it lower. See what this market wants to do. I'm just chilling. Yeah, the scorecard would be the one to look at, I think. Hey, Amakri, I missed being live, but it was good for me to take the day off. It was like a cleanse the palate. I didn't even look at a chart until 5 p.m. I didn't know this course offered lessons. Huh. Maybe I need to go take a lesson so I can learn how to hit a draw. I really want a different shot shape, and I've been struggling with my driver. All right, market making let's see. This thing's wanting to pump. Wants to pump it higher. Or maybe not. Came home from dinner last night, was tired and got drunk. And drunk, got short market rallies, went DCA full limit on 150K. And now then you're up 14K. Oh my gosh, John. Was that on an eval or a funded? If I've bought custom clubs, Dave, no, I have not. No, I currently use the TaylorMade QI10 irons. I currently use the Callaway Smoke AI driver, but I did get them fitted. But I mean, I went to Golf Galaxy, and they basically just, I don't know, kind of the standard clubs is what I use. So really not custom. Very, I knew someone was going to say that. Not true. Matt, not true. I remember that's what I used to buy, like my first payout that I ever got with Apex earlier this year. That's what I bought. A new golf set, new golf clubs. Other people buy cars and Lamborghinis. I buy lawnmowers and golf clubs. All right, this market is definitely looking a little suspect. I feel like we want to come back. Maybe we want to feel like we're going to pull back further here the way this is looking. Oh, yeah. Sorry, Matty Matt. I forgot. Hey, it's all good. It's all good, man. We all got to do what we got to do. Yeah, I am so not going to be chomping at the bit, so to speak, to take a trade. I'm just going to take it easy. No rush. If I don't even trade today, I'm not going to be mad. I am not going to be mad. Hmm. The market, I mean, the bulls seem to want to hold this up, but the bears just keep selling it off. Feel like we're in for a big drop lower. That's what it feels like. I never realized what a mower could cost until, yeah, I know, right? It is crazy. It is crazy what you can spend on a lawnmower of all things. All right, here we go down to the 100s. Is this 100 level going to hold? We shall see. Here we go down to the 100s. Below the 100s, down through the 90s. Also have the pivot point right here at the 83s. You're the micro king. Let's go. Hey, my daughter had her baby yesterday, Soul Search Gurus. Let's go. You're a grandpa? That's awesome. That is awesome. Everyone's healthy. What a blessing. That's awesome. Congratulations. Congratulations, man. I need to do a PW McLaren video, but with a lawnmower. I know, Daryl. I'm not even kidding. I've thought about doing it. I have actually considered doing it just as a troll. But I don't know. I'll wash my mower, clean it all up, maybe even polish it and everything. It would be funny. I'm sure of that. Yeah, this thing's going lower, folks. Let's see if we bounce here off the pivot point. All right, here we go. We just keep going lower. Are we going to test VWAP? Maybe it just wants to test the VWAP. Is anyone Ninja Trader not working? Mine is working. You received an exception error on Ninja. That's weird. These gurus really got me. It's like seeing an attorney that makes $1,200 an hour that trades on a YouTube channel, showing off his toys he gets from the fruits of trading, except it's not from trading. Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, I agreed. All right, we are trying to bounce off of this pivot. Let's see if it has any legs. It's trying. It's trying, but kind of failing at the same time. Your trade copy isn't working. That's weird. Darrell. All right, getting the move, getting the push here. Now, will it hold? So far, once we start a downtrending channel like this, it seems like we come up, we kind of test the EMA a little bit, and then we just whoosh. We just fall apart. Only goes down. I think we need to change the slogan design to only goes down. Maybe. Or if we look at the 60-minute chart, I mean, this here is this is pretty crazy, but I don't know, this has been an interesting, actually the 4-hour chart is probably better to look at, but lots of whoosh, whoosh. Now, if we fail to make a new low here and this actually pushes back above this 18,600s, then I feel like maybe we are putting in the bottom. So you never know. And we're right back up to the 150s. This bounce off the 80s, bounce off the pivot point. Pretty nice. Hey, Rosie Rose, how we doing? Let's say green. Green, positive vibes. I agree. But right here, we're at this EMA. This is where we've in the past just kind of fell apart. Let's see if this actually keeps going. Looks like it wants to. Wow. She ripping, boys. This is going higher. See if it wants to go to a new high a day here. What a push. What a move. What a move. What VWAP indicator am I using on Ninja? Man, I don't even know. What a bounce off of this pivot point. Wow. Also bounce. Do we have the 15-minute opening range low here? Okay, now see if this fails. This is like right here wouldn't be a terrible short actually right here. Sure, I want to step in front of this train. Yeah, it's still bullish. Looks like we're going test the high a day here. Possibly. Hey, Rad Poker in the house. Where's Rad Poker? There you are. Good morning, Rad Poker. Good morning, Neo. Good morning, Kid Poker. Good to see you. Hope you're doing well. Ask Nutty about the Amish Open. I love it. You know what I would love to do is I should ask him if I can take video. It would make great content. I should take someone with me and video, like basically video the whole tournament. Yeah, John, it does. I agree. Your PA is 29 days old. Let's go, Kid Poker. That's great. Something's wrong with my something's wrong with my trading. I'm green every day. Hey, that doesn't sound like there's anything wrong. I wouldn't tell a soul. If you're on a green streak, UCLA, the number one thing about a green streak is we do not talk about a green streak. That's the first rule. That's the first rule with green streaks. You want to end your green streak? Just tell someone about it. Yeah, I don't want to jinx it, man. Dorf on Golf Trailer 1987. Oh my. What is going on? Oh my word. What in the world am I watching? Oh. What am I watching? Oh, John, I don't. John. That's. Oh my God. I'm dead. When he was there trying to dig himself out of the sand trap. Oh my God. Oh, I'm dying. Oh, that poor guy. Oh my God. The poor guy was 10 feet under. The poor guy was buried 3 feet deep into the sand trap. Oh, John, I don't even want to see. I don't even want to know. I do not want to know your golf. I don't want to know your YouTube recommended videos. Your YouTube recommended videos have got to be an absolute train wreck. They have got to be all over the place. How you find some of these videos is beyond me. Oh, man, that was too funny. You had to see the video to really appreciate it. Oh, I am crying. That was too funny. The guy was 3 feet buried in the sand trap trying to get his ball out. Kind of relatable. I've been there. Maybe not 3 feet deep. Oh, man, that was too funny. Oh my gosh. And look at that. We're at the highs of the day. Wouldn't you be? I know we're all shocked here. We did get that bounce. We did get that pivot point bounce. Oh, man. You're happy you grew up in the 80s and 90s? Fun times. Oh, yeah. I mean, I don't know, man. Oh, was it? Good jobs report? I don't know. My best score was 74 on a par 70 about 10 years ago. Wow, Kid Poker. That's awesome. That's a great score. Oh, hey, good morning, Carolina. Good morning, Orlando. Yeah, does it work with red streaks too? I don't know. I think the way it works, Orlando, is if you talk about a red streak, then it just gets worse. I think. Cannot confirm. Oh, you were in a trade, you didn't know it, Matty Matt? Yeah, it is Kid Poker. I 100% agree. My short game right now is actually really good, and my driving is terrible. And I would much rather have my driving be inconsistent and my short game be good than the other way around. You can be driving, or to me, golf is way more frustrating when you're driving really well, but your short game is bad. That is way more frustrating because it just so deflating. Oh man, we are making new highs, boys. All right. Wow. I did not think we would make this kind of move. So now we just gotta wait, I guess. There's nothing that we gotta look for long setups. It's probably what the market wants. Market wants me to think long, and then it's gonna do one of these big red 4-hour candles. We've had this in the last, it's always happened. I'm very sus. I'm very sus of a big red dump, especially in the afternoon. It seems like in the afternoon, the market just whoosh and sells off in the afternoon. From morning till about noon, market goes higher. Noon till close, market goes lower. Anyway. Oh, John, that was a good laugh. Oh, that was a good laugh, man. If I have the link to the copier or replicanto spider monkey, I don't. I mean, it should be. If you just Google Flowbots, Flowbots copy trader, it'll come up. Yeah, I don't know. I think so, Kara. I don't know. Sometimes I don't know the difference between dumb money and smart money. Yeah, middle and short is where the scoring takes place in the golf. Ugh. What a rip higher. What a move. Oh, oh my goodness. I played 18 holes of golf in the morning, and then in the afternoon I played another 9 holes, and I'm actually a little bit sore. Oh I just realized. Oh, oh dang it. I just realized I forgot something. I had a brain fart. Man, oh man. Flow bots, Spider Monkey. Flow bots. BOT. BOT. All one word. Sorry, I can get you to the link too. All right, we are just hanging out here at the top. This is always this is the kryptonite. I've always feel like this is where I make the most mistakes. Especially recently, we get these nice moves and then we kind of do an overextended pullback. Or like we either do an overextended pullback or we just keep going straight up with no pullbacks. Like I feel like the market is doing that recently and it's just really messing with me. Yeah, it is Matty Matt. Exactly. This area right here is, yeah, Dave Mac. Actually, I feel it in my rib cage. Like I feel like, oh, I feel like I pulled a muscle in my rib cage. You know what that means? It means I'm not golfing enough. That's what I told my wife. She politely disagreed, but I just got a text from someone that they would be up for a round of golf this afternoon. Well, don't tempt me with a good time. But I also realized I have a commitment. I have a commitment, and yeah, looks like he ready for a day on figure. If I've got my payouts approved yet, nope, I'm still pending. Yours truly is doing a lot of breathing and relaxing exercises. See, I don't get any privileges. Who knows? Some of the Apex might be punishing me. I sent them a long letter. Apex was kindly asking for my opinion, and I kindly responded with all of my demands. Not demands. There were suggestions, kind suggestions on how they can be better. I really do. I know I'm biased, but I feel like if Apex would just listen to me, they would be 10 times better than they are now. But I am biased, so I'm biased, and I probably don't know everything. So anyway. But maybe they're like, yeah, this guy needs to, I don't want to hear what this guy is saying. But yeah, my accounts are still pending. They're not under review. They're just pending. So I don't know what that means. It means they're pending. And I guess we're chilling. I'm not freaking out, but it's, one of my suggestions was definitely that this Apex, the payout approval process has to be improved. I don't know how they do it. I don't care how they do it, but it needs to improve. Like having people wait 15 days to get their payout approved. I mean, come on. We're living in the 21st century here. There's just no need for that. It's like the dinosaur age. And I know, I mean, I told them this, and their response was basically that they're working on it and they have to add more staff, but there's got to be some kind of automation or something where things can be expedited a little bit. Why does it happen? Why does it appear to only be happening only with Apex? Because they're 10 times the size of other prop firms, Brian. That's what some people also don't understand. So Top Step has, like, if you compare Apex's user base and how many payout requests they get, and you compare that with Top Step, Apex is over 10x the size of Top Step. So obviously it requires way more staff. I mean, not to use that as an excuse, but they need to, like, there is a big difference. There's a big difference between comparing prop firms, but not to use that as an excuse. They still need to be better. They still need to be better. And I don't know how they do it, but they got to figure it out. That's why they get paid the big bucks and not me. I just tell them it needs to be better. It needs to be better. We don't need, like, I'm not advocating for next day payouts. Okay. Yeah, exactly. Like Take Profit Trader, they're probably 20 times the size of Take Profit Trader. So, it's just a huge difference. And I'm not advocating that Apex should do next day payouts. No. But it needs to be more than, like, there needs to be a standard of like 5 days. I think 5 days is fair. And I think people would be totally fine with waiting. Basically, I think, this is my opinion, that once you submit a payout request, Apex in 5 days should approve you or deny you. That is what the standard should be, in my opinion. And then, like, if they want to have a certain date for when the payouts all get processed, if that makes it easier for them, fine. But the approval process needs to be... Okay, I'll give you a link, Spider Monkey. Sorry. There you go, Spider Monkey. That's not an affiliate link. That's just a link. But if you do want to use, I think my code still works. If you do want to use it for 20% off, it's Nutty Bar 20. I don't really promote Flowbots anymore, but you're welcome to use the code to save you 20% if you want. Should be first come, first serve. Yeah, Fister 5, that's the other thing. I have no idea how they do that. Like, how does that happen? How does that work out? I have no idea. Oh, really, John? Interesting. Well, also, did you guys realize and notice how TopStep is also, like, TopStep customer service is also now struggling, and it's taking a lot of time for, to get, for them to get back to you. And that's not a shot on them. It's Nutty Bar 20. Yes. The first one, MZ. Yeah, if I have any codes for 20% off car insurance. I wish. If I did, I would use it. But yeah, I mean, it's just a part of the business, and like, as the prop firms continue to grow, people are going to have growing pains, and that's unfortunately what's happening with Apex. Last year, TopStep had growing pains as well when they switched and went to their one. Remember when TopStep had two rules, like 2-step rules? Oh my gosh. And then they changed. They also had like somewhat growing pains to go through. And Apex, I still feel like what really hurt Apex the most was they let people trade however they wanted to trade. And there were being things done completely, where they were not following the rules, completely crazy. People were just, it was like the Wild West. And as long as you stayed beneath the 30% rule, nothing else mattered. And as Apex continued to grow and the user base and everything, it just wasn't sustainable just to continue doing that. So they had to clamp down, and now they just need a better process on approving and processing their payouts. It's pretty easy to see. If I have a code on Take Profit, I believe it's Nutty Bar. Yes, spelled out all. I think it's all caps Nutty Bar, Anthony. If you want to use it, I appreciate it. Still better than Elite Trader Funding. Man, I forgot about Elite Trader Funding. You know who else I forgot about? Like, the other prop firm that I just kind of forgot about. I used to use them actually, and that was UProfit. UProfit. I completely forgot about them. I mean, I assume they're still. I assume they're still a thing, right? Or at least they still have a website. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it looks like they paid out $617,000 in June. And that is also what puts things in perspective. Profit paid out $617,000 in June. Apex paid out $35 million. That puts things in perspective with how big and the scale, and just it's just crazy. You know what I wish prop firms the other thing that I advocated for Apex to do was calling out Apex again the other day. Mike Patak, yeah, there's a shocker. His go-to that's the only way that he promotes Top Step is by, yeah, whatever. If I got a payout from Profit when I was using them, I did not know. I never did get a payout from them. Not because of them. I just never even got to it. Never got to that point. Yeah, maybe go end trades. It could be, honestly, my thought. I mean, they grew so fast. They've never had the resources, and now they're finally getting the resources, but the process is painful. All right, getting a little pullback. Man, oh man. This might be, do we just actually Oh, the fast track trading, John. Yeah, I mean, I see, I don't know how much I want to say regarding that. Yeah, I'll keep my thoughts to myself for now. Only thing I will say is if people want to use them, I mean, go for it. But it seems really expensive to me. It seems very expensive. But until they have credit card processing, I wouldn't recommend it, because here's the problem. I'm not saying that this is happening, but the CEO, there are some major red flags on the way that, from things that I heard. I mean, he's just flat out lying, first of all, which is kind of a red flag. But then on top of that, okay, so he said that the payout and the credit card processors are coming mid-August. He said that a month ago. And then second, he's saying that he's not. Then he kind of shifted and said, well, they don't want to do credit card processors because then people will do chargebacks and they don't want to deal with the chargebacks. Well, that's very convenient. Because one of the things that a credit card processor does is it protects the consumer. Okay? It protects the consumer. So the fact that he doesn't want that is a little bit of a red flag. And then just the other thing that concerns me is you can pay with, Tron coin, crypto. You can pay with crypto. There's multiple issues with that as well. So if you're paying with crypto, now you got to think through this a little bit, but if you're paying with crypto, I have to assume that they have a lot of money invested in said crypto, correct? Obviously they can transfer, but I would love to see So what happens when crypto goes down by 50%? Like that is just an additional liability on their end. And then I've seen it way too many times, you know, there's a reason. Here's the other problem. There is a reason that they don't have any credit card processors yet. Because credit card processors, what they will do is they will assess the company, and if it is a high risk, they won't give it to you. Like a credit card processor isn't going to, they don't allow just anyone to use them. So if they're not willing to use them, that should also be a red flag. Those are some things that I see that but again, and I'm going to say this, and I want you guys to hold me accountable the same way, okay? Because I understand that I'm also an influencer, and obviously I'm promoting and I'm affiliated with Apex. So sometimes I might be biased toward Apex. Like, I understand that, and if you feel that I am biased toward it, that's fair. But this is also where things get a little tricky, because with being an affiliation then with Fast Track Trading, there is a huge incentive to be affiliated with Fast Track Trading, in the sense that, okay, for example, as an affiliate with Apex or with any other prop firm, you only share in the eval process, okay? Affiliates, they don't get any cut or percentage or anything like that for the activation of PAs or anything like that, if that makes sense. So the affiliation payout and the affiliation potential there with Fast Track Trading, and to promote them with 20 accounts, and you're getting a full cut of way bigger piece of the pie, the money is so much more potential. And I know, again, I don't know how much I should say, but there are some issues with paying out affiliates right now, which should also be a red flag. Anyway, that's my 2 cents. All I would say is be careful. Don't go buying 20 accounts just because you saw some streamer do it. Yeah. And it should be that way, like, it should be that way regardless. Like, people really should do their own due diligence regardless of, even with Apex. If you do your own due diligence with Apex, and then, you know, don't listen to me. I feel comfortable with Apex. I use them. That's why I promote them. But do your own due diligence. And if you don't feel comfortable using them, and you see things you don't like their rules, then don't use them. You know, it's dangerous when you just go to YouTube and watch, and you only listen to influencers, and that is what you base your decisions on. That should not happen. You should never base your decisions off of influencers. Do your own research. And if you're not comfortable with something and it doesn't look right, it doesn't feel right for you, then don't do it. Don't do it. Bashing Apex, promoting FTT, then when Discord and the duties are getting 40K from affiliate pay. Well, and that's, yeah. And if you do your research on FTT, you see the red flags, and you decide, you know what, I'm going to give it a try. I'm going to give it a shot. You know, it's your own life. You can do it as you please. If you want to try it, be my guest. I hope it works, and I hope you get paid. My biggest thing is, like, If people get paid, you know, we're all adults. We have to make decisions, and I actually kind of struggle with the fact. I don't know how to explain it, but like as a person that is on YouTube, you know, my biggest fear or my biggest fear is like that someone, or you know, that I influence. I mean, I know I influence people, and even if I don't want to, it's just how it is. But I really do hope people do their own due diligence on whatever money they want to invest anywhere, and do their own due diligence, and then make your decision based off of that. Don't make your decisions based off of what some influencer tells you to do. Look at this market just continuously going higher. Oh man, I'm just sitting here. We're not participating, nothing. Wow. I should have bought this pullback. In hindsight, this is where trading gets you, because I get scarred. You get battle wounds. You get all these scars, and you see when pullbacks fail, and you know, and then you're like, the next pullback you don't pull the trigger, and then that's the one that, you know, gets you 100 ticks or more. It's just that is trading in a nutshell. Yeah, that pivot point bounce was insane. This pivot point bounce right here at the 82s was woof. That was beautiful. Could you imagine trying to trade before we had internet? Oh my gosh, Michael. No, I cannot. You know, I'm really thankful that I live in today's age. I know a lot of people say, you know, the old times were good times, and maybe they were, but man, I would, you know, back in the 40s and the 50s, 60s, and 70s, that's just a whole different world, man. You used to trade with the phone. You traded before the PC and internet. But you were in the pits, John. Only goes up. Yeah, you're right, Design. Yeah, only the pit traders could day trade. Your dad used to trade his brokerage offline, and he had fill out a buy slip and drop it off at the bank, and then pray it got filled. Can you imagine the slippage? Oh my gosh. Oh, that's crazy. You traded with carrier pigeons. Oh man. Gosh. Two wooden nickels got you a possum and some walnuts. Oh dear. That is crazy, John. You traded during the Great Depression? No way. 100K in the tech bubble burst. Oh man. That's where you got your risk management from. I work for O'Connor and Company and we charge $30 a trade. Man, that's brutal. They should actually design. By the way, design, do you play play golf a lot with your Quest or no? You're not a golfer. By the way, the Quest 3, we have the Quest 3 and we have the golf attachment and everything. And I actually need to be very careful about how much I play that. It messes up my swing. It's like the difference weight. It's a combination of a difference in weight for the club and the fact that your club doesn't impact the ground or the ball when you swing. And it's just, there's something about it where I'm not feeling it. I don't like it. Oh, all right. I'm going to take this stop right below these lows. This will probably be the one time it fails, but hey, we got to take it. Okay, first target filled. All right, now I'm going to move this up a little bit. We're going to move this up a little bit, not crazy. Let's see if we can find us a target. What would be the next area that we would be looking? Maybe the 420s. I like the 420s as a target. We're going to do 419s. We're going to trail this and hopefully get a runner going. But 420s is going to be our target. Once this candle closes, I'm going to move my stop to break even. Actually, I'm going to do it now. This kind of volatility, I'm just not going to let a trade go right on me again like it did the other day. Come on, go higher. I don't like how this is pulling back. Can you take a poll? Will Apex extend its 80% sale once again? 99% sure. Well, right now the sale is good until the 14th. Are you saying extending it again from the 14th? I think, honestly, Apex is going to be very careful with doing another 90% sale. The last time Apex did a 90% sale, like things just kind of went absolutely crazy. Rhythmic couldn't keep up. I hope they don't do a 90% sale. I know that's kind of counterintuitive, but every time they do a 90% sale, Rhythmic has issues. It doesn't seem to be worth it. Habitual sale extenders. That's right, design. Hey, good morning, Traderist Chick. Good morning. All right. I'm going to move my stop below this candle now. Actually, I'm just going to move it to my target right there. And hopefully, come on, give me the 420s. You can do it. Give me the 420s. The magic number. Come on. Don't do me like this. Come on. Habitual DCA gang. It's habitual. I love me some 0-day J. He cracks me up. Yeah, Matt, I feel you, man. I can never keep all 20 accounts either. I am with you on that one. I can never seem to keep my accounts. Especially in this volatility. But anymore, I mean, if you trade 1 or 2 minis, in this volatility, I mean, it takes literally a second, like maybe 5 seconds to blow an account. It's crazy. Rip it. Let's go. 420s. Come on. Feel it. Come on. Come on. Need a break above the 400s, and then I think we'll be there. Oh, it doesn't want to do it. Ah. I could just take it off right here. I think I will. It's kind of struggling to get through the 400s, so I'm going to take my profit there, and if it rips now, it does, but of course, it's going to rip now. This market, I love it. Let's get another pullback, and we'll enter again, and we got this. Mad respect for trading micros. Hey, I learned my lesson. I accidentally traded 4 minis when I blew my 150K account. When was that? Tuesday. I didn't mean to trade 4 minis, but I mean, it was impressive. It was impressive how fast that account was gone. Like, it was insane. It was insane. That account was lost. I don't think it even took 30 seconds for real. I entered and it immediately gave me one of those big red candles, and it was over before I even realized that I was in 4 minis. No trading ever after that. Oh no. Nice. That's a 20-point move on ES is crazy good, Matt. That's awesome. Oh, I'm glad let's go. We took our profit and it actually didn't break out. Let's go. I like when the market does that. It makes me look like a genius. I really appreciate it, market. All right. Wow, it's just going straight back. You had about the same trade short. Okay, nice. Good luck now. You can go. The market can now come back to this EMA. I'm fine with that. I'm totally cool with that. Come on, pull back. Just need to wait. I've hung up cowboy boots and I'm just chilling these trading one micro. It is so much less stressful trading micros in this market than trying to trade minis. Trading minis in this market it'll make you clench. It will make you clench hard. The fact they let you size the 10 minis on a 50K is insane. Yeah, it is, Craig. 100% it is. I consider trading micros all the time if the commissions weren't so out of whack. Yeah, I agree. Go ahead and trades. Yeah. But when volatility dies down, I feel like it's, more of an option. Now, this is not going to give me an entry even. I mean, I could enter here, but I hate entering on this kind of candle. Such a big candle to enter on. Oh, man. The other thing, so a couple of changes that I made yet on Tuesday night. I officially am not going to trade like the afternoon sessions. Like I now have the ability again to shut down my trading where I can't trade. And I had that feature removed about a month and a half ago. So if I feel the itch, wow, that is really just going to rip. I just don't like when we have these kind of entry candles. I much prefer it like this. This looks so similar to yesterday and the day before. Like yesterday, made a big move higher. I guess here we just kind of double topped. But the day before, just making a move after move higher until the inevitable afternoon collapse. Same with here. Big move higher and then afternoon collapse. I'm very, very wary. But right now, this is looks very good. It could be market minter or market miner. Yeah, here goes. Let's see if we get above that. Let's see if we hit this 420. I consider trading micros all the time. Oh, yeah, yeah. Take profit was so much cheaper. Was wondering if Apex charges more than they. By the way, John, yeah, I did some research, John, and yeah, Apex micros are 51 cents per trade, and Take Profit Trader is 50 cents. But then when you switch to minis, Apex is less expensive than Take Profit Trader. All right, there's our 420. But we would have gotten stopped out here, so I'm glad that I took my profit where I did. Guess I should have. I should have just re-entered here. Definitely looking very bullish. There's 437s. Here's the 440s. 4 design. Let's go. Wow. I mean, look at this crazy move from the 80s, and now we're at the 440s with very little pullback. I mean, you catch some a move like this with micros, you can make serious money. Yeah, it is a mockery. I do love this price action, but I'm also I have PTSD. I have PTSD from the last couple of days where we kind of had similar price action. I jump in and then we do the old ripperoo, and I just always get scared of that. But I do have to the biggest thing is I got to trust my setup, take my setup, just make sure I have a stop loss where I'm wrong, and make sure I don't move my stop loss. Oh, okay, use TradeAway, don't take, right, yep, which is 250 round trip, 250 per side. So with Take Profit Trader, it's $5 round trip cost for minis. Yeah, trading ever after. Exactly. Wow. We're just getting. I mean, it's not like the volume isn't. The volume is decent. The volume is pretty decent. And I just want to know, are the Bears just waiting? Hey, Speed Racer, good morning. How you doing? Go and trades. TradeAway commissions are cheaper on Apex than Rhythmic. That is correct. Go and trades. You had to Google PTSD. All right, we might get a pullback here. I'd love to get a pullback back down to this 380, 400 level. Give me a good entry bar. Give me a good entry signal. And then just don't rug pull me. Is it really gonna just... Okay, getting our pullback here. Oh man, I'm gonna take this. Now we're pulling back a little bit more than usual. Man, this is where I get scared that we just roll over now. Oh, I need I'm trying to be patient on this entry. Technically, right here is where my entry should be. All right, we're in. Don't fake me out here. I'm being a little. Come on, give me one of them big green boner candles. And I'm going to get out right there. I don't like that. Pretty much break even trade. We might be going sideways here. We might start going sideways here. And if we do, as long as we hold this EMA level, as long as we hold the EMA, I'm going to look to kind of buy right here at the EMA on good entries. As long as we hold it and hold above this 60 line, I'm okay with longs, but this is where I have to really be careful. Wow, it looks like it's going to keep going. What happened yesterday? Shockwave. I just took the day off yesterday. I had a really bad session on Tuesday. Didn't follow my rules. Was just kind of went on a tilt session. I lost 2 accounts and was pretty upset about it. So I just decided to take the day off. Didn't look at any charts. Went golfing. Cleared my mind, and we're back. Better than ever. Yeah, Kellyanne called me out as a shill. Oh no, how will I ever recover? Oh, I'm so worried. I'm so worried. How will I ever recover? Yeah, it is, Spider Monkey. It is definitely a challenging time to trade. You gotta have big stops. You gotta have big stops. There's no way to trade a market like this with tight stops. And, but then you just have to make sure you size down accordingly. Oh, really, Shockwave? Yeah, I was really glad. I looked at the chart on, yeah, I looked on the chart on Monday or on yesterday, and I'm like, whoo, I'm glad I wasn't trading. That's not what she said last night. I don't even watch her videos anymore. It's not it is not it's just it's not worth my time, man. She has a nice little echo chamber. I'll give her that. I'm only the messenger. This is where I start to get worried if we just kind of start slowly drifting lower. I absolutely hate that kind of price action when we're in the short-term uptrend. And I really struggle. I really struggle with staying out of that kind of price action. So gonna try to you really need to just work on being patient. Oh, really, Speed Racer? Hang on, let me look. I didn't see. On Cove Traders, she would like me to unblock her. She said she's got no problem with me. I mean, according to her videos, it does seem like she does have a problem with me. Calling me, she wants to call me names, then it does feel like she has a problem with me. But if she wants to ask kindly and she wants to be civil and actually be objective, like, I can't have a discussion with someone that doesn't, she doesn't have the best intentions, is kind of my, she's got an axe to grind with Apex. It's very apparent. She's not being fair in even the least. And I have a hard time having a conversation with someone that just doesn't even care about, she doesn't even care. She doesn't care about the truth. She doesn't care about the facts. I mean, I appreciate the message, Speed Racer. I'll think about it. Maybe I'll unblock her and I'll see how she behaves. Yeah, I'm fine with being friends. Like, again, I don't have any ill will toward her, but I can't have a conversation and it isn't worth my mental fortitude, and it's not worth wasting my time to try to have any discussion with someone that has ill intent. She has to me, then it's just pointless. It's pointless for everyone else involved, because if you can't have a discussion and actually have a civil discussion with someone, then it's just not worth my time. Yeah, it's fine. I mean, I'm not hating on the 900 eval thing. Hey, let's not make fun of that. The only point I will say regarding that is, if you do have that many evals and haven't had a payout, then you probably should not be making videos on how, you shouldn't be making videos and the thumbnail be how to make $400 a day in day trading. That's all I'm saying. That seems a little off. Seems a little off to me. Seems a little clickbaity and disingenuous, like insinuating that you've been making $400 a day when you can't even get a payout doesn't quite add up. Recovery of the week. We'll settle this with a duck race. Hey, maybe we'll do a duck race. The next duck race we do, we'll add Kellyanne as a duck. If she wins, I'll unban her. How's that? That sounds fair. That would be funny. That would be funny. Then we would definitely know if the duck races are rigged or not. Or maybe she just needs to place in the top 3. If she places in the top 3, I'll unban her. I'm pretty sure she has an alt account. I found her alt account because she commented on my top 10 video, and she was claiming the video says, or here, let me just read it. Maybe this wasn't her, but I'm very suspicious that this was her, which wasn't anything bad, but she commented on the top 10 video top 10 payouts. And she says, how much of those payouts, how much of that number is affiliate payouts? Like, I really think that Kellyanne just cannot fathom that maybe, just maybe, the reason that people get denied payouts is because they break the rules. And like, if someone breaks the rules and then doesn't get paid out, but like then she tries to spin that oh, that makes Apex a scam. Actually, no, it doesn't. Like, if you break the rules and then you don't get paid out, that means Apex followed the rules. What more do you want? Like, get over it. And she just cannot believe that Apex actually pays out and pays out 35 million a month. It's just her ego doesn't allow that to be true. And I think she really thinks that affiliate payouts are somehow combined, and the only people that Apex is paying out any big amounts of money, the only people that are getting those payouts are affiliates. Like, it's just not true. And if she really wanted to know the truth, she could easily find it. But she doesn't want to know the truth. It would be too big of a conflict for her channel. She's created a channel based solely around hating on Apex and calling Apex a scam, that she now no longer has the ability to look at it and be like, wait a minute, maybe I was wrong. But look at this pullback. Just seeing this price action, this makes me want to stop trading for the day. I'm dead serious. This makes me want to shut down my trading for the day. And right here, this kind of price action is always where I get in trouble. Which prop firm she promotes? Fast Track Trading. Apex is a scam, but Fast Track Trading, 6-month-old company with very, very little track record, doesn't even offer credit cards yet to protect the consumer. That's the prop firm she backs. That's the prop firm that's legit. So, hey, that's all you need to know. But like I said, don't listen to me. Don't listen to her. Don't listen to any influencers. Do your own research and make your own choices. If you look at Fast Track Trading and you're like, wow, these guys are legit, and I know they have a .net, and I know they only accept Bitcoin or Tron coin or Coles Cash or whatever you want. You see all that? That isn't a red flag to you? You think that's great? Then give them your money, and I hope you get paid. No problemo. Patrick is retiring. Yeah, I keep hearing it. I keep hearing people say, I keep hearing that Patrick is going to delete his YouTube channel. Well, no, not delete, but he said he's going to stop doing YouTube at the end of the year. I really wonder. I don't know. I'm going to go out on a limb and say that's probably not going to happen. But hey, I guess you never know, right? They accept Pepe coin. I wonder how all those Bitcoin, the Tron coin, how has the Tron coin performed in the last 2 weeks? Yeah, Maddie, man. I find it hard to believe, but again, I've been wrong. I've been wrong plenty of times, so we all got to make our own choices. Has a Patrick Whelan ever paid me the $800? No, he has not. Feels bad. And don't bring it up to him in his chat, because you'll get banned if you do. Ask John. I mean, at this point, I don't even really care. I don't care, but I just like bringing it up every now and then. Yeah, actually, Matt, that's true. Maybe that's his whole plan. He's gonna sell the courses. He's selling a course. He's selling a book, and then at the end of the year, ICT has to pay him $500,000 yet, and that's his retirement plan. There you go. That's problem solved. Yeah, if you mention my name in his chat, very, very few good things will be said. I'm like a curse word in his chat, so I've never been more honored. How shocked will everyone be if ICT delivers? Honestly, there's a small part of me that I want ICT to just kind of come out of nowhere and win the Robbins Cup, like in a very twisted way. There's something that would actually make me, it would tickle me. It would tickle my funny bone, man. It would tickle my funny bone only for the entertainment value that it would bring. Because ICT, as big of an ego as he already has, his ego would be to the point where it actually might be dangerous to it would be crazy levels of ego. And then what people would have to say, like Patrick would have to pay XYZ, that would almost be worth it to me. Almost be worth it. It would be absolutely hilarious. Do I think it's going to happen? No, I do not. Oh, man, what a day. I definitely took it easy today. I haven't even traded. I should have, but I didn't. It's a fun time when hate comes your way. I caught his last 3 days of live streams. You have to hand it to him. He called price on the dollar 3 days in a row. That's fine. Like, okay, I always said, Woodchip, there is a big difference between a teacher and a trader. There is a big difference. And to me, ICT, okay, my struggle with ICT has always been this. You have to separate ICT from the BS. Like if there was a way that I could separate his delusional takes on things out, like some of his delusional takes are just so far out and so insane that once I hear that, I'm sorry. I am not going to listen to anything else you have to say. Once he says that he's been kidnapped by XYZ, he created XYZ and the end of the world is coming, and he starts spewing off on these just talking crazy, then you lost me. I can't take you seriously. But I do think there's things that he teaches that can be. Where is the kidnapping video? Oh, there's plenty of video if you want to hear it, Woodchip. Just go to E-Man's YouTube channel and look at, I mean, if you want all the dirt on ICT and the crazy things that he has said, just go listen to that. That sums it up. But I don't agree with like everything in that sort of, like, here's my thing. I think there's good and bad with everyone. Yes, for me, I can't see past that. I cannot. I'm sorry. I can't take someone seriously when they are spewing that kind of nonsense. But I do think that there's some things that he teaches in trading that are valuable and that people trade in that way and are profitable. I think that's definitely possible. But teaching and talking about the market is way different than actually trading. And so far, ICT has proved that he can't trade. Like, that's not me being mean or me being rude. That's just reality. So far, ICT hasn't proven that he can actually trade. He's proven that he can teach. He's proven that, but he has not proven that he can trade. And I don't think that's a hot take. I don't think that can be disputed either. Yeah, he's a marketing genius as well. Exactly. 100%. But yeah, it's not like he created any new thing. No, I don't believe that for 1 minute. But he has a way of communicating it to people, and I guess a certain demographic where they understand it better, which, makes him a good teacher, but not a good trader. Hey, trading with Travis. Good to see you, man. How you been? Hope everything's going great. Good to see you. I'm curious how you feel he can't trade. Just based off of evidence, Wood Chip. That's the only thing I base it off. If he comes back and wins the Robbins Cup, maybe I'll change my opinion. But so far, the Robbins Cups he's entered and everything that we have as data where we actually look at ICT when he's actually trading, it's not a good track record. It isn't. So that's just, that's just the facts. If I've been approved yet, I have not, Tom. We're doing breathing and relaxing exercises every morning. Every morning I come in, I check if I'm approved. It still says pending. I do breathing and relaxing exercises, and then I'm okay. I'm fine. How would I define the method of ICT trading, Steve K? I'm not a good guy to ask because I think I listened to 30 minutes of him talking and I couldn't do it. I'm sorry, I just couldn't do it. Had a vacation in Utah and a major dental work after a mountain bike accident. Oh, when did that mountain bike accident occur, Travis? Yeah, foo-foo rawr. Apex heard everybody complaining that streamers always get paid first. And they're like, let's make Nutty an example of that not being the case. Someone created an ICT no rant video series which takes his mentorship and takes out his ranting. Each video was only 15 to 20 minutes instead of 1 to 2 hours. Maybe I could listen to that, Daryl. Maybe. What trading platform this is? This is Ninja Trader. All right, we're bouncing off this R1 pivot point. This is where I always get in trouble, and I'm just not sure that I want to take these trades. How much I've requested? I currently have 6,000 that I've requested. 6,000 in pending. It's basically these 3 accounts is what I requested. 2,000 payout on each one of them. So we're just chilling. We're breathing. We're relaxing. And waiting for that payout to be approved. And then I will trade those accounts. And no, I don't care, John from Apex. If you don't like that, I'm sorry. That's just how things are going to be. I have a strict policy. When I request a payout, I will not trade those accounts until Apex either approves or denies those accounts. Sue me. And I wouldn't recommend anyone else to do it either. I need to go fill up my water cup. Wow, look at that bounce off of this pivot point. Crazy. Crazy nice bounce. I guess, I don't know how to play this market. Yeah, go and trades. That's very well put. There are people that want to be told what to do, and there are people who are willing to exploit those people. I sound like a schemer and a scammer. That's right. That's right, design. I'm getting those t-shirts made. It's going to be Apex Trader Funding on the front. On the back, it's going to say proud schemer and a scammer. Oh. Hey, Justice, how we doing? Justice, of course, wants more duck races. Justice, of course, wants more duck races because Justice has won twice. Yeah, Mitch Marvin, I don't think you have to stick to monthly, or I also have some monthly and lifetime fees right now. Like my 50Ks, my 350Ks are on monthly, but everything else is on lifetime. Yeah, it is. Just, it seems like when we do get a move, it just goes. How do you get into the duck races? Once we start it, then you basically, I pick 15 people, and that's who gets entered. Scalping with Tom already blew an account he won, so I need another. What have I heard about Buellnox paying out on time? I really don't know anything about. I don't know Speed Racer. I don't really follow Buellnox. I've never used him, so I'm pretty clueless on that front. Did someone mention duck race? You guys are something else with the duck race. Open a couple accounts with My Funded Futures. Seems like they have the rules we all wish Apex had. Hey, there you go. I don't think My Funded Futures is bad. See, this is like one of the reasons that I don't want to use My Funded Futures is because of that idiot. What's Sage? The main reason I would never trade with My Funded Futures is because of that idiot Sage. He's just. That's a good example of why you don't talk bad. Like, you don't use marketing to talk bad about other prop firms. Like, Take Profit Trader, for example. Have you ever seen Take Profit Trader cause any drama or issues or talk bad about other prop firms? No, you don't. And the things that some of these prop firms have to understand is we as customers, we actually like most of the prop firms. Maybe some people are very anti one prop firm. Okay, fine. But for the most part, we as customers are customers also to the prop firms that these other prop firms are talking bad about. So you're actually talking bad about your own customer base. And a lot of us, we like using maybe all of the different prop firms. And we take advantage of this prop firm because we like this about them. We use this prop firm because we like this about them. And maybe we don't even have a favorite, or maybe we just use them all accordingly. So it's just, I don't get it's so insecure and childish the way that Sage from My Funded Futures, the way that My Funded Futures owner, I don't even remember what is his name, and then Michael Patak from Top Step, they could really, really take a lesson in what and not to do when it comes to marketing. Mr. Lime, they just send you an email reminding me not to tilt and buy accounts at 50% off. Yeah, very true, Mr. Lime. I get those emails too. Yeah, prop firm, the only customer base for example, when Michael Patak talks bad about other prop firms, the only people that are like agreeing with him is the only people and the customers that are agreeing with Michael are his own customers. They're customers he already has. And you don't get more customers by talking bad about the current prop firm that they are using. So dumb. I didn't even go to school and I know this. Prop firm wars on A&E. Yeah, exactly, Travis. I have seen those channels. There are a couple of channels that are like talking bad about a certain prop firm and how terrible it is, and then you look in their description and they're sharing their affiliate link and code of the prop firm that they're A, not using, and B, talking bad about it. Like, then why would you be affiliated with them? Like, I don't get it. Yeah, I love Take Profit Trader. I think, I mean, they're definitely my number 2 prop firm that I am. Let's not talk about, I don't want to talk about my success rate with them, but it's not their fault. All right, market. Hey, how we doing, Alpine? Oh, you're a funny guy. You're a funny guy, Alpine. Yes, usually I do mentorships, Alpine. Usually I do mentorships. Usually I do it for $2,000 one-time fee. But I'm feeling very, I'm just feeling very generous today. So I'm going to give you a 50% discount. 50% discount. Free mentorship for $1,000. Oh. And then basically what my mentorship is you watch me trade, you make mental notes, but the key is you do opposite of what I do. I'm just saying, there's a market for that. Draw trend lines. Yes. Non-refundable, definitely. I only accept Tron coin, Alpine. I only accept Tron coin, Coles Cash, or direct deposit. Do not offer credit card processing either. Sorry about that. But it's because I get scammed too much, because if I offer credit card processing, then that means if people are unhappy, they could get a refund, which would hurt me, which is therefore why I don't offer credit cards as an option. Yes, I do accept gift cards, Kohl's Cash, Golf Galaxy cards are greatly appreciated. Alpine, that is the best you can do is $20. You know what? I'm feeling really generous. Oh, Alpine, I appreciate that. You don't have to do that. Thanks, man. You can refund it later. You can get a kick. Dude, I know these guys. What? John, where do you find these videos? We need to do it. I tell you what, John, your YouTube recommended videos have got to be an absolute disaster. Uh-oh. People want the duck race. Oh, dear. Here. I usually don't like to whore myself out for likes. But I'm not going to tell you. If you guys want a duck race, it'll really show me how much you guys want a duck race based on how many likes I have. And I'm going to go look. Right. Whoa, trading with Travis. Jeez. Okay, you can't do that. You can't do that, man. Trading with Travis with the $99? Shut the front door. Thank you, Travis. I appreciate that. You don't have to do that. Let's not... now we definitely have to do a duck race. Jeez, Alpine. Alpine, you just got roasted. You just got roasted, man. All right, let's see. Let's see how many likes we have currently. I have a specific number in mind. In order for us to me to really feel justified here. Thank you, Alpine. Thank you, Trading with Travis. I do appreciate it. All right. Okay. How many? Okay, we got 270 people watching. So I feel like if I don't get at least half of those people to like the video, then that means they don't want to do a duck race. So if you don't want to do a duck race, then don't like the video. Okay? If you do want to do the duck race, do like the video, and that'll show me if you guys actually want to do the duck race. All right, I think that's fair. Okay, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna be disappointed. Am I going to be disappointed? No shot. There's 136 likes. 136 likes. And there's two. Oh, man. All right. Why is everyone checking their points? It's not like those points matter. But maybe one day they will matter. I am working on some things to make those points matter. So hopefully one day we can I see most of you guys just want to flex on. Wait till John shows you how many points he has. You started doing it because everyone else was doing it. Whoa, Cat's Amazing Books. Thanks for the $5. Guys, you do not have to do that. You don't have to do that, but I do appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, you don't even get a bowl of soup. All right. The people have spoken. The people will get what they want. The duck race is underway. All right, you got 10 minutes to enter. Exclamation mark Nutty. Exclamation mark Nutty to be entered for a chance to be entered in the duck race. And then the top 3 will win. Exclamation mark Nutty. Here we go. Duck race is confirmed. What could go wrong? Man, that's a... Now, okay, guys, you can only enter one time, okay? So don't be putting your name in 10,000 times, all right? You will only be entered one time. Thanks again, Cat's Amazing Books and Alpine Trading with Travis. I do appreciate it. But yeah, you can only enter one time. And then we will pick 15 people. And maybe... No, I'm not. I don't think I'm going to do it. Man, this is tempting me for an entry right here. Man, my ATM looks so tiny. Hey, let's go. Man, Kellyanne also gets entered. I guess we'll see. Don't be politically correct. I'll add Kellyanne. We could do a poll. We could do a poll to see if Kellyanne gets a duck. And then if she places top 3, we'll unban her. Should we do a poll? Will little Nutty be joining us to watch the duck race? Actually, yeah, I think we can do that. I think he's so far, little Nutty, he's picked yesterday, no, when was it? Tuesday? He picked the correct duck. He had the correct duck picked, so if he picks your duck, you have a higher chance of winning. The pink duck will. He actually picked the red duck last time. He picked the red duck. All right, guys, you got 6 minutes to enter. You can only enter once. This is always where I feel like this fakes out and rolls over. How's everyone's trading been going? Little nutty with the red. Uh-oh, like crap. Very nutty. After a few bad days last week and Monday. Yeah, I am very, very content with just really just taking it slow. I have only traded this account today. That's the only account I've traded. I've not traded any accounts off stream, nothing. And I like it. I like it. It's weird after 2 weeks of no trading, there's no care of where the market is. Yeah, Travis, you have missed a crazy, it has been crazy the last 2 weeks. Like we are seeing 500-600 point moves in a day. Like it's nothing. It's just been, it has been a crazy volatile last 2 weeks. Definitely not a terrible time to go on vacation. Let's see if we get below this 66 here. I thought you were going to take the day off and go golfing. Yeah, Travis, I did. That was yesterday. I took the day off yesterday. Oh yeah, Travis, I got to tell you about this. So yeah, I took the day off. That was yesterday. I took the day off yesterday. Didn't look at the charts, nothing. Went golfing. Had a great time. But I did so I'm entering in my first ever golf tournament next week. They have a local course it's called the Amish Open. It's called the Amish Open, and it's like a $400 entry fee, and they have a cut line, everything. It's a 3-day event. So you play Monday, next Thursday, next Friday, and Saturday is when I play. And the cut line is Thursday night, where half of the field will be cut, and then the remaining field will play Saturday for all the marbles, so to speak. So I'm pretty stoked. I'm pretty excited. Only you have to, so I guess the rule is you have to have an Amish background in order to enter. So you have to have an Amish background in order to be eligible to enter into this golf tournament. It's kind of so, yeah, looking forward to it. Wow, look at that. She's rolling over. That was my fear. I was so close to entering right here at the top. Oh, I'm so thankful. I've seen enough of this shenanigans now that something told me not to do it. All right, we got 40 seconds, guys. 40 seconds to enter in the duck race. Exclamation mark Nutty. Can you identify as Amish? I guess so. The guy that I called to enter into the tournament, so they have a number and you call this number, so I call him. And he asked me to verify that I have an Amish background. I had to speak Dutch to him. It's like, kannst du Dutch? Yep. All right, here we retrace that move real quick. Very interesting. All right, guys, it is time to do the duck race. All right, let's pick names. Let's pick the names. We got 150 entries. That's not bad. That is pretty good. 150 entries. I guess the people like the duck race. We shall give the people what they want. All right, let me get ready. All right, here we go. Good luck, guys. Good luck. And the first winner to be, or the first one to be entered in the duck race is Martin. Good luck, Martin. Next one, J Pride. Nicely done, J Pride. And the next one is going to be Dan Futures. That's a familiar name. All right, Dan Futures. Let's go. And the next one is MOD, Mod. Here we go. Name number 5, Marvin. Marvin, let's go. Marvin with the entry. A chance for a duck race winner. And there we go. Number 6 is H.A. And here we go. Then we have underscore Chris underscore. Good luck, sir. Next one, we have Win. Win with a chance. Okay. I like when we get names in here that I recognize. Polar Boxing. Congrats and good luck, sir. And here is the 10th win. The 10th name is going to be Up, Down, Left, Right. That's a familiar name. Good luck, sir. All right, we have to remove 5 people here. All right, here we go. Number 11, CA. Interesting name, CA. Next one is Citizen Zero. Very nice. Let's go. And the next one is Rob Moores. Rob Moores. Nicely done. And good luck, sir. Here's the next one. Vexus Trading. Okay. Good luck. All right, guys. This is the final name to be entered in the duck race. It is Victor. Victor with the last name. All right, let me copy all these names. Make sure we are ready to rumble. All right, here we go. All right, are we ready for the duck race? Wow, the market is just... that might have been a short trap. That could have been a trap for the shorts. I'm going to wait. All right, here we go, guys. Are we ready for the duck race? Are we ready? I wish we could do side bets. I have work to do, but I will. You never get entered, Travis. I feel you, man. The duck race is 100% not rigged. This is fully authentic. Don't believe what you see in chat. They're spreading fake news. Give me 1 second. I'm going to go get Cody because he will be very, very disappointed if he hears that I had a duck race and he wasn't able to watch. So give me a second. I'm going to go get Cody. All right. Okay, Cody. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, we have to set it up. Oh, we haven't, man. I shouldn't have ran upstairs. Now I'm out of breath. We didn't really determine what the first, second, and third place will get. This is going to be a cash giveaway. So let's do first place. We'll do $100. Second place we'll do $75, and third place we'll do $50. All right. First place $100, second place $75, third place $50. Also, here's the key. Here's another thing that we'll do. Once I start the ducks, Cody's going to pick one of the ducks, okay? If he picks a duck that places in the top 3, then you will get an additional 25 on top. Sound good? Everybody clear? All right, 3 minutes. Here we go.
Red duck.
Okay, he picked... Which duck do you want?
Red.
The red duck. He wants the red duck. I think that's boxing. All right, he picked the red duck. Good luck, everyone else. Oh, no, I didn't share yet. Sorry. Oh, my gosh.
Let's play.
Okay, we watch up there. Okay. All right, now you guys can see. Sorry about that. Okay, we got red duck. That's the duck that Cody picked. So, if this duck places in the top 3, he'll get an additional $25 bonus. All right? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. And they're off. All right, now, guys, you got to know, if you're new to duck races, you want to pace yourself. You do not want an early lead. Right now, Win is the early leader. The pink duck is out in front and making a statement. But Polar Boxing, red duck, is pacing herself. You can tell she's got it. All right, here we go. We got Marvin making a move. We got Martin just cruising along. Dan Futures in the back. We got Victor. I don't even know what this duck is. Is this a COVID duck with a mask on? Come on. Citizen Zero is making a push here. This is a 2-minute race. You got to pace yourself, Citizen Zero. You're wasting energy here. We got to pace yourself. Here comes Rob Moores. Rob Moore's making a push. Here comes HA, looking pretty strong. So far, Win is looking good. I like Polar Boxing. The Red Duck is in right where she wants to be. She's just waiting to make a move. Red Duck, go Red Duck.
Go Red Duck. Go Red Duck.
Oh, here comes Red Duck. Here comes Polar Boxing. He's making a move. Up, down, left, right now. Making a move and challenging the Red Duck. And the Red Duck, Polar Boxing, is pulling back. He's waiting. He's pacing himself. I like it. And Win, Pink Duck, is making a move again. Looking pretty strong. We're down to a minute, folks. Under a minute, and 45 and 30 seconds is where it counts. Here we go. Victor at the top is looking pretty strong. We got CA. Yeah, the CA is making a pretty nice move. Here comes the Black Duck. The Batmobile is making a push. It's Mod, number 4. She's trying, but it's a struggle. Here comes Win. Win is holding up very, very well. He is holding up well in first place. Here comes Polar Boxing. He's making a move. We got 30 seconds. Can he pull it out? Oh no, here comes Vexus Trading. He's gonna make a move. Win is looking good. Win, there's never been a doubt. Win has held this lead for a long time. We're down to the final seconds. Oh, Dan Futures just tripped. Dan Futures tripped and fell and broke a leg. And oh no, this is not good. Here comes the Red Duck. Can he do it? Can he do it? He's making a move. Oh my God. I don't believe it. This is insanity. The Red Duck won. No shot. Oh my God. That is, I promise this is not set up. This is not rigged. No shot. It is not rigged. Oh my God. I can't believe he won. Oh, I can't believe it. Polar Boxing, he came out of nowhere. You could tell Polar Boxing, he was just reserving that energy. And as soon as it was time to go, I mean, he was gone. Red Duck with the win. Cody now has picked 2 winners in a row. Give me 5. You like the Red Duck, huh?
Yeah. He wins.
He wins. Okay, it's time to look. It's time to see who won. The second and third place was very close. Okay, it was Rob Moores with the photo finish coming in second place. And then we have Chris coming in third place. Sorry, Win, you were just a little bit too far behind. Jay Pride, man, Jay Pride, this is like a duck feather. You were a duck feather away from getting third place there. That is unfortunate. You hate to see it. We got Jay Pride, Martin, Citizen Zero coming in 6th. But the only ones that matter is first, second, and third. Man, my voice is gone. Oh, man. Yeah, win the poor. Oh, I couldn't believe. You gotta rewind and watch that back. That was epic. Oh, we forgot about Kellyanne. I'm sorry. That's too bad, man. Maybe next time. Yeah. So that means Polar Boxing gets $125. He gets $100 for winning first, and then a $25 bonus because the duck that Cody picked won. You're costing me money today, son.
Yeah.
All right. Give me a second. It's time to go back upstairs and play?
Yeah.
Okay, tell everybody bye.
Bye.
All right, we're back. Is there daily duck races? Usually not. We don't do it every day, but you know, you got to give the people what they want. I'm gonna end up going. I'm gonna go broke doing all these duck races. I'm just kidding. I'll gladly do the duck races. It's a lot of fun. I can't believe the red duck won again. There might be a glitch in the system. Maybe there is. I cannot confirm nor deny. But this is, I mean, it is what it is. All right, guys. The one, if you won, give me a second. I'm gonna put my email in the chat below. And I need you guys that won to send me an email so I can get you paid. Look at this market. What? What? While I was doing the duck race, we made new highs. Feels bad. Did you win, Red Poker? Nope. You missed it again, Red Poker. I'm sorry, man. You got to rewind the stream and you'll get the full grasp of what happened. Yeah, I think Cody needs to start picking my stocks, lottery tickets, everything. What was the prize money for all the places? So first place was 100, second place 75, third place 50. But there was a $25 bonus if the duck that Cody picked, if he places in the top 3, then you get an additional 25. So Polar Boxing will get $125. Buy a couple evals with that. All right, guys. Send me your email. Send me an email if you won. Oh, some of you already did. Never mind. Let's go. Oh, okay. Perfect, Polar Boxing. I got your email and you already self-verified. So that is awesome. Okay, Chris, I got your email. I just need you to put in the 4-digit code. Put in the 4-digit code I just sent you, Chris, to verify that it's you, and we'll get the money to you. And then same for you, Robert. All right, we got the emails for everything. Chris is verified. Perfect. We are making new highs. Very interesting indeed. We definitely trapped the shorts right here. Anyone remember that from the hit TV show called Trading from Canada? I do not remember that. Yeah, I need to do that's. I'll take him to the racetrack. Oh no, black coffee. Oh, that's real. All right, perfect, Robert. Rob Morse. All right, Rob, we are good to go. Take care, trading with Travis. Viking Valhalla. Nobody remembers. Hey, we're pulling back. Okay. For Chris and Rob, I just need a respond to my email. Okay, you got it. Never mind. Rob, I got it. Let me get this all sent out right away so I don't forget to do it. Okay, perfect. Chris, got your email. All right, we are almost done. Let's go. Okay, money has all been sent. Thanks again, everyone, for playing and participating. And for those that didn't win, I guess better luck next time. No problem, Rob. Okay, Okay, I'm getting a bigger pullback here. I'm kind of debating. This would be kind of my... I'm trying to debate if I want to take this trade or not. If we get above the 450s. Ooh. Go short, wood chip. I mean, the fact that we're making higher lows. We're making higher lows and we're making higher highs. I just can't justify going short here. Not saying it might be right, but I can't do it. There it goes. All right, I'm going to take it, I guess. Come on, Bulls. Push it. It's being stubborn. What? I sent you third place as well? No way. Did I actually? Did I actually? You got second and third place money? You son of a... Well, I guess that's my fault. How did I do that? I did send you second and third place money. Unbelievable. Thanks for telling me, Rob Moores. You can keep it. That was my fault. But thanks for telling me so that I can send at least send the guy the 50 back. The 50 The third place. Poor Christopher was probably wondering, what the heck? Oh, we got our profit target hit. Let's go. Let's go, baby. All right, move the stop to break even here. No, let's go. All right. Yes, Robert. Hey, Robert, you know what? That's a bonus for being honest. That's a bonus for being honest. You can keep it and spend it wisely. Hey, Rad Poker with the $20. Thank you, Rad Poker. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Lunch for Nutty. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Rad Poker. Thank you. I appreciate you. All right, guys. Honestly, I think I'm going to call it there. I am very happy that we literally hit my take profit and now pulling back. I didn't really have, I don't know how to feel because it's the only, look, I have not traded any of my other accounts, which I'm okay with. So, oh, you did, CA? Oh, man, I'm sorry. But you passed 20 evals? You paid for 30 more minutes. Sorry, Red Poker. I'm going to shut it down. I think I'm using the shut it down feature. I do appreciate it. Alpine and Trading with Travis and Cat's Amazing Books, Rad Poker. I don't know what happened today that all of a sudden people feel obligated to give me money, but you definitely don't need to do that, but I do appreciate it. I do appreciate it. All right, guys, I'm going to call it there. I got some things I need to do this afternoon, and quite honestly, I'm scared this afternoon. Oh, also forget, yes, thank you. Thank you as well, Kellyanne, for keeping me relevant. You're you're welcome, RJs. All right, everybody take care. I hope you all have a great day. I hope you all have a green day. And Red Poker. That's fair. We'll be back tomorrow, man. We'll be back tomorrow. Take care. Have a good one. And God bless.